Moikka! Have you considered starting art journaling this year? Or are you just looking for a fun idea to continue with your art journalings? I am constantly thinking of new ways to create with my colorings and decoratings. It is so relaxing. The world needs more love and calmness instead of hate and greed. From this thought, I came up with heart art journaling. If you are a bit nervous about drawing and you have not done drawing yet that much, this is a nice way to start. After all, I think the colors and mixed media are the main thing in art journaling. But here are the hearts. I drew them overlapping each other, and now it's time to color them. I am using watercolors and markers to color these hearts. But of course, this can be made with acrylic paints or colored pencils or whatever comes to mind. I am painting every little area overlapping each other with different colors. So there will be many parts to decorate, and I love that. It's like color therapy for me, my own little calm bubble where I go and create. And now the fun decorating part. Of course, the coloring is fun too, but this is my favorite. I am using some white acrylic pen and then some black markers and a golden marker pen. And I am making different kind of patterns to these each sections of the hearts. Some dots and lines and everything that comes to your mind. Just go for it. You might feel at some point that you are running out of decorating ideas. That is perfectly normal. And it happens to me too. But then I just start to think of different variations of the stuff that I have already done. And then something comes always to my mind. Just don't quit and keep going. And of course you can do this in many parts. Some today and some tomorrow and like that. Now you can see that the hearts are starting to take their form, and even though they are overlapping each other, you can still see all the different kind of hearts, even though they are stuck together. Yes, but let's continue with the decorating. Now let's take off the tapes and take a final look at the journal spread. I think it turned out nice and this was very relaxing to do. Have fun with your creations and until next time. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.